हम लोग का दोस्त सुबह सुबह आए हम लोग का विजिट करने के लिए किस किए यो Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kelam Naka Vlogs, and right now I'm here in my native village, which is Pathso Nokeng, and this is the place where I was born and then lived here for a while before going to my hometown. And this village is also called as the mother village of Kemyuan, since the Kemyuan community, after migrating from here and there, wandering here and there, we settled in this place. And this became the mother village of the Kemyuan community. And today it's very much freezing cold, and I think it's 7 degrees Celsius and 6:30 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, I just cut my hand yesterday while doing the furniture, and my house is just under construction, so everything is so messy and I have to arrange everything. But then I haven't met this ground is still left, and even outside also full of furniture and everything. So much work left to do. This is my old house, and then this is my new house, and then let me show you. The one behind is neighbor's house, and then down there. So let me know in the comment whose house is better. This is the place where I was born and before going to the hometown, and I lived here for a few years during my childhood days, and then I shifted to the hometown, which is Tuensang, that I have shown you earlier in the video. And nothing much to show right here because these are mango trees and fruit trees. It's so dark out here. This is my brother's chair. And this village is actually surrounded by Mount Kalyoging. We call it Kalyoging, not Mount. I don't know. So Kalyoging is all out there. We are surrounded by Kalyoging, and then this mountain is a snowy mountain. So right now the sun is rising, so it's not visible right now. And then today I'm planning to show you many things that are in my village, starting from my home. So if you guys like my video, please don't forget to tap the like button, and if you want to continue watching my video, please subscribe. And if you find anything interesting, you can let me know in the comments. And then I'm shivering right now, so cold. I woke up before my brothers so that I can boil some water before getting to work. And yes, I've said to get this, which is black tea. This is water. This one is black tea. So all set for the day, and I have just made this one. What do we call this? Fireplace. So it's still not right, and there are some more works left, but all these things are still lying there. And we just had our first meal here after a while. We cooked here after a while, and I have so much work to do again. And this is how we burn wood and this is the main source of fuel for us, because everything like cooking, heating, everything is included here. Early morning visitors the next day. सुबह सुबह आया है ये दोनों हमारा घर में विजिट करने के लिए आए हैं. ये भी बुलाया. वाह. So the mountain at the the highest mountain that you see behind another mountain is Mount Kalyokeng that I mentioned earlier. So this is how much I could show you. And this mountain, that one, the top one, and that side top one, it is a snowy mountain. But this winter, since there was no rain, so the snow has not arrived yet. But later, I think by the month of February, it might rain, and then yeah, there might be snow. So our village is surrounded by Mount Kalyokeng, all the way from there to that side, which is near Noklak. And this is another one. This is my brother. And there are many villages out there. That is, which is New Lingnu, means Nokie, Lingnu Nokie, and then the other one is Lingnu, and Sanglao. I mean, the one out there is Sanglao, and then out there, can you see the one on this part? That is Kingnu, and you can see almost all our villages, and the one out there as well, and that side is Noklak and Lingnu. And there you can see a cow village just joined with my village, and the one down there is Sangui village. It is a new village, and this is the view of my village. I cannot show you properly, but somehow. And my house is all up there, out there.